Hi, myself Rudresh. I am here to explain about introduction to supervised and unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning used to draw interfaces with datasets consisting of input data without labeled responses. It explores the data and exacts meaningful insights. This branch of AI is essential for identifying patterns and relationships in complex data sets. Definitions and key concept. Underlying learning requires to know explicit supervision finding patterns directly from the data. Feature extractions. It involves extraction the underlying structure of the data to learn more about it. Association. It analyzes data from patterns and co-occurrence within it. Clustering algorithm. K-means hierarchical and density-based clustering. K-means algorithm to partition data points into a k groups. Hierarchical means a tree of cluster by either top-bottom or bottom-top approaches. Density based clusterings. Clusters database based on its density identifying areas with higher density as clusters. K means iterative process starts with initial cluster controls and then relocates the points to the nearest cluster. Coverages. It iterates until the centroids no longer move significantly. Scalability efficient with large data sets as it has a linear time complexity. Hierarchical clustering. It is divided into two types: agglomerational approach and device approach. Agglomerative approach means it starts with a cluster and successively merges them. Divisive approach means it starts with an one cluster containing all the points and divides them. Density based clustering. Care points, border points, and noise. Firstly, care points. They are the points that have a specified number of points in their vicinity. Border points. Points that are neighbors of a core point but don't have enough neighbors to be a core point. Noise. Pointing that to not do belong to the any other cluster. Dimensionality reduction techniques. Principal concept analysis. A method that transforms the data in a new coordinate system to uncover important patterns. Autoencoders and deep learning for unsupervised learning. Autoencoders. Neural network designed to copy is its input and its to be output. Deep learning for supervised like restricted Boltzmann and machines for learning efficient representation. Dimensionality reduction techniques, a method that transforms the data into a coordinate system to uncover important patterns. Hierarchical clustering, it starts with a clusters and successively merges them. It starts with one cluster containing all the points and divides them. Iterative process, convergence, and scalability. Start with initial cluster centroids and then relocates points to the nearest cluster. It iteratives until the centroids no longer move significantly efficient with large database and datasets as it has a linear time complexity. Density based clustering, care points, border points, noises. These are the points that have a specified number of points in their vicinity. Border points, points that are neighbors of a core point but don't have enough neighbors to be a core point. Noise, points that do not belong to any cluster is called noise. Autoencoders and deep learning for supervised learning. Autoencoders means neural network designed to copy its own input and output. Deep learning for unsupervised is a restricted Boltzmann machines that learning efficient representations. Thank you.